The 2015 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mpg rating. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, electronic stability control, trip computer, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, overhead console, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. Come see the car for yourself.